This is Moto Edge 60 Stylus smartphone, and in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. When your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. If you want to disable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select home and lock screen, select control center and then disable this allow panel to be opened by pulling down from the top of the lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center or change any of those settings. If you will try to take a screenshot by swiping down your three fingers, then you won't be able to do that. There's a different gesture for that. You have to use your three fingers and then tap and hold on the screen like this. Then you will be able to click a screenshot. One of my favorite feature of this smartphone is quick launch. You can tap on the back of your phone to quickly launch your favorite application or trigger any action. By default, it has set to AI, as you can see. If you want to customize this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures. There you will see the option of quick launch. Click on this and then select settings. Here you can select any of these actions. Now if you want to set any of the application, then select open app and then click here, select your favorite application. And now whenever you will double tap on your back of your phone like this, then it will open your favorite application. If you long press your power button, then it will launch Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, select gestures, select power button and then select press and hold. Here select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. You can use two applications at the same time with the help of split screen feature. There's a gesture for that. To enable this, open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select swipe to split. Enable this. Now whenever you want to use this, simply swipe like this on the screen. Then it will enable the split screen. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time to launch your power menu. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next features are for you. Open your settings, select display. The first one is dark theme. If you enable this, then it will turn all the white colors that you have into black. So you can use this feature. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The next feature is night light. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the third one is extra dim. Open your settings, select accessibility and there you will see the option of extra dim. If you enable this, then it will dim screen beyond your phone's minimum brightness. So you can use these three features if you use your phone at night a lot. You can monitor your real-time internet speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select network and internet. There you will see the option of internet speed. Enable this, then it will show your real-time network speed in your status bar. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, scroll down and then select notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this. Then it will save all your notifications that will appear in your smartphone here. So if someone will delete it, then you can read them from here. If you want to change the order of these three buttons or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures, select system navigation and then click on this setting. If you enable this change button order, then you will be able to change the order. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then select this one. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. Just like your Samsung's device, you can use the circle to search feature. Tap and hold on the middle button like this. Then it will enable it, circle the object you want to search and then it will search it for you on the Google. You can change the control panel of the smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select home and lock screen, select control center. Here you can select the modern style. Now as you can see, it will change the control panel style. From your font style to your icon shape, you can customize a lot of stuff. Open your settings, select personalize. Here you have some offline themes. You can select your favorite one from here, then it will set that theme for you. As you can see, you can change the fonts. You have 6 different options. You can select from any of these. You can change the icon shape. Select your favorite one and then click on save. You can change the UI color. select your favorite one and then click on save. Then it will change the UI color for you. You can change the fingerprint animation. Whenever you will unlock your smartphone with the help of fingerprint, then it will show that specific animation. You can change the home screen layout. You can select any of these. You can also see the preview from here. And you can change the display size and text. You can increase or decrease the size of the text and the display as well. You can enable the bold text or high contrast text as well. While using your smartphone, if you want to open your camera application, then you just have to rotate your wrist like this, then it will launch your camera application. If you are in a hurry and you quickly want to charge your smartphone, then open your settings, select battery and then select charge boost. Enable this, then it will increase the charging speed of your smartphone. Keep in mind this will heat up your device as well. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then in the same battery settings, you can select optimize charging and then enable this. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage. If you want to show this, then again open your settings, select battery and then enable this battery percentage. Then it will start showing your battery percentage in your status bar. If you will swipe down from the top of your phone, then sometimes it will open your control panel and then sometimes it will open your notification center. But there's a specific area from which if you will swipe down, then it will always open your control center. So if you will swipe down from the right side of your front camera, then it will always open your control panel. And if you will swipe down from the left side of your front camera, then it will always open your notification center. You can also switch like this. And if you are on home screen and you want to open your control center, then you can swipe down on the blank area like this, then it will open your control panel. If you want to open your flashlight, then you can shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will shake it again, then it will turn it off. Let's talk about the stylus feature, what it can do and how it works. Open your settings, scroll down there, you will see the option of stylus. Here you can customize a lot of stuff, how you want to use it when the phone is locked, when your phone is unlocked, or much more. So whenever you will open this stylus, it will open a lot of options. So the first one is write a note, so you can write whatever you want. Second one is Moto note application. You can also draw whatever you want, write whatever you want, and you can screenshot with the help of this stylus. You can also click a free form screenshot. Let me show you how it works. If you click on this, then it will click a screenshot. Now you can select the specific area of which you want the screenshot. So you can use this free form screenshot. The next one is sketch to image. You have to connect to the internet and log in with Moto account, and you will be able to use that sketch to image feature just like Samsung smartphone. And the last one and most interesting one is handwriting calculator. So you can use this feature. Let me show you how it works. For example, if you have a simple math problem like 283 minus 42, write it down, then it will give you the answer. As you can see, you can use this one for quick calculation like this. You can also customize this. Click on settings, and from here you can remove whatever feature you want to remove from here, and remove your favorite application as well like this. Now whenever you will open this, then it will open this as well, or whenever you will pull out the stylus, then it will also open that. It comes with this satisfying clicking. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Moto Edge 60 stylus. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.